This is just not for me. I cannot do this day in the life stuff. What's going on, YouTube? I am back with another video for you today. Now, I'm in a little bit of a different location. Now, I'm currently in my car. Now, the reason why I'm in my car is, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram. If not, make sure you follow me now. I had a conversation with my mother the other day, and she told me that I am gaining weight. And, I mean, she said that I'm starting to gain man boobs, which I see. I do see them. So now I'm at the gym, okay? So I'm gonna change my diet and everything, and I feel like it has been making me a lazy photographer. Like I don't get as low as I used to and things like that. So I'm outside of the gym. I'm gonna go inside. I have a session today at 1:15. So I'm gonna do this, get something to eat, prep for my session, and yeah. So go ahead on, come along with me. So I am officially at IHOP. I just realized that I actually have an appointment with T-Mobile at 11 o'clock and it is 10:53. So I might not be able to eat this food right now. I don't know, I may take a little bite real quick. I'm starving. Just had nice, don't know if you can see those muscles. The muscles not coming in yet, but don't worry, they'll be in soon. So I'm gonna go in, grab my food, head over to this appointment and eat. Oh my God, this looks so good. I'm so hungry, but cannot eat it now. Gotta go to this appointment. Sucks though. What's going on? I am currently setting up for a maternity session that I have. So I'm gonna get everything set up and then you can see exactly how I do it. Now I usually don't like to record my paid sessions, so we will see how this goes. That room right there. This is my question. What color do you want to go with? You like the gray? We can go through all of it. If you wanted to match more with whatever outfit you're doing, do you know which outfit you want to do first?
With them first. So the jeans and
You said
the jeans on.
okay. So the white shirt, jeans.
Yes, white shirt and jeans. I'm gonna pull my shirt up a little bit, and then we're gonna do like a heart.
Right.
What do you think?
No, I think well, this is what they're wearing. I'm gonna be honest. I'm a fan of, especially like with our skin texture. I'm a fan of like the browns and the tan. Yeah. So we can do gray, and you can see what it looks like. It's up to you. Which one you want to go with? You feeling the gray, right?
I'm feeling the brown.
You feeling the brown? Which one? The darker one?
Yeah.
Pull it down a little bit. All right, and then in the front part, put it up. No, your shirt, put it up more. And then I want you to form like a, like, and then turn yeah, there you go. Just like that. All right. All right.
Should I look or like
Huh? Well, right now I'm testing. So we're gonna do a little bit of both. So I'm gonna have you, so right now look at your stomach, look down at your stomach, perfect. Just like that. Now look up here. Yep, just like that. And give me a little smile. There we go. Now look back down. Perfect. Now hold up. Let's see. Give me more. Yep, just like that. Perfect. That's my fault. Step in a tad bit closer. No, no, no. Go back more and then step in just a little. Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Yep. Now both look at the camera. Yep, just like that. Wait,
Mom,
glasses. You gotta take your glasses off, remember?
Maybe you gotta take glasses
I
off.
forgot.
Next.
All right.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. All right, so those again. Okay, perfect. Now, yep, at the camera, get a little closer together. Perfect, just like that. Okay, Mom, look at the stomach. Perfect. Okay, now both look at the camera again. There we go. Perfect.
Oh,
All
you
right.
trying to kiss my cheek?
No, I'm trying to kiss you.
Lucky.
All right, I'm gonna break down. This is just not for me. I cannot do this day in the life stuff. I mean, yeah, I had a session, but who doesn't have sessions? Like, my life isn't that interesting. If you're a photographer, it's a good chance we do the exact same thing. I mean, I may do it a little different than you, but doesn't mean the way I do it is right. Doesn't mean the way you do it is right. I watch a lot of day in the lives, and I am intrigued by them. I love them. I watch them a lot, but I just couldn't fix myself to really bring anything. I don't know, maybe it was the B-roll. I don't know. But what it comes down to is I'm not into this. I am into something totally different. I run a photography business. I have several side hustles. It's not just photography. I don't do just photography. It's probably photographers out there that do just photography and make a living. I'm not one of those. And I don't believe in that. Even if photography is your side job, right? And you're comfortable with your main job, I don't think that your main job should be your only job. If you do photography on the side, I don't feel like photography should be your only side hustle. I have 3 children, okay? And at the end of the day, I gotta make something happen in order to make sure that my 3 kids are, clothed, fed, all of that. So photography isn't my main job. Well, I said main job, it's my main job. It's my main job because it's the most consistent out of all of my other side hustles. But I have the luxury of waking up whenever I want to wake up, doing whatever I want to do because I finally have financial freedom. A few years ago, money used to scare me. I was scared of being in debt. I was scared of not being able to pay, whether it was my rent at the time or whatever. Money scared me, and money scares a lot of people. A lot of people don't know how to do it, but it's not hard. We have this mindset that working for yourself, whether it's a side hustle or anything, we have this mindset that is hard. Like it's impossible to do. We see taxes, we get scared. It's like working for yourself may be the best thing ever. And like I said, it can be a side hustle. It's nobody that that's rich or wealthy, I'll say, because rich only means that you have money today. Wealth means you have money tomorrow. You could get $1 million today and be rich. You could blow that $1 million today and be poor tomorrow. But establishing wealth is a little bit different because that means that you're going to have money tomorrow, the next day, and you could be broke and still have wealth, That's the difference. So, it's I'm fortunate, and I'm not going to sit here and say that that I take it for granted. I worked hard to get where I am. I worked hard to get the customers that I got. It's certain things that you just can't take away from me because I put in the work to be where I am right now in life. It's a lot of people that subscribe to my channel because they care about photography, they care about gear, and I don't knock that. You know, it's a lot of big photographers, my peers, that make videos nothing about gear. I'm not into that. I'm into how can I make money with this gear. That's what I'm into. If you watching this channel because you think you're about to learn some great thing on how to be the best photographer in the world, you're watching the wrong channel, because I don't care about that. And you shouldn't care about that either. See, you shouldn't care about being the best photographer in the world. You should care about taking your skills and making money with it. That's what I care about. There are a lot of photographers in the city I'm in. It's this one, I won't name her name. But when I tell you her photography, in my opinion, is horrible. Well, I don't want to say horrible, but I will say when I first met her, her photography was horrible. Right now it's doable. It's no different than anybody that just picked the camera up. It's no different than that. But one thing that was her business mindset. And I'm new here to Ohio, and she's from here, but she left and she came back. So we were kind of in the city around the same time. And I remember telling her, like, I can't get no clients. I can't get clients. My clients ain't coming. I need to do this. My clients. I'm new here. I didn't know anybody. And she loved my work. She was like, oh my God, your work is great. This, and the third. And, you know, she saw my edits and was like, oh, you take all that time editing? Oh, I don't do that. I only spend like 5 minutes on a photo. And I'm like, wow, 5 minutes on a photo. Okay. Got you. She has been booked every single weekend, weekday. This is her full-time job, and she is killing it. And it had nothing to do with her being the best photographer. It had to do with her being real good with business. And it's not even business like, oh, okay, I know numbers, I know business. No. It's like this. She's a good people person. Customer service is one of the best things to learn when it comes to running a business. Let me explain something. When we are photographers, we have to do every single thing ourselves. We need to know marketing. We need to know everything. Customer service is one of the best things you could give somebody, because even if you gave them the most trashiest pictures, if you made them feel real good while taking those photos, you won. You won them already. That's all you had to do was take real good pictures. Or, I'm sorry, I have somebody walking in the back and it kind of look a little weird, but all you gotta do is give them the best experience. Let them feel like they just had the best session of their life and they're gonna keep coming back to you. So if you really think you gotta be the best photographer in order to make a lot of money in photography, no. The photography is a bonus. Believe it or not, the photography is a bonus. We watch Burger King, McDonald's commercials all of the time. We see how big the burgers look. We see all of that, and we get there and get this little squashed up burger, and we like it because it tastes good. We don't care what it look like anymore. It tastes good. So we keep going back, and we go back, and we go back, and we go back. Your picture, the photo is that commercial. That is what you are selling them, your portfolio, for them to book with you. Once they book with you, you got them. You got them once they book with you. So once you give them that best time, that's what we do as photographers. We capture moments and we make memories. So once you give them that, you won. Listen, I can't do this day in the life, but I can talk to you all day on how to make your business boom. Whether it's photography, I don't care if you play a guitar. I can talk to you on how to make your business boom. I'm gonna end it like that. I had a session today. This is the day in the life. This is my thoughts on how I felt about it. I will see you guys later in the next video. Peace.